With our experience in drones, building drones, we have developed India's first 360-degree obstacle avoidance drone. Using that, anybody can lock onto an object and track it autonomously. We have developed AI on edge system, which helps defense personnel to just click on the object and let the drone track on it. iDEX has been really supportive in terms of introducing us to defense and military personnel. We have interacted with army commanders and also chief of staff because of help from iDEX itself. And we have showcased our solution. We got really valuable feedback to improve our product. I am inspired by the idea of self-reliance. So even the drone that we have built is completely built in India from scratch. Our team has designed and also manufactured the drone in India itself. Whereas a lot of companies today depend on Chinese parts and Chinese equipment, we have made a drone such that it is self-reliant. And also this coming from the Prime Minister itself to create jobs, we have recruited more than 20 people and equipped them with good skills that some of them went on to form their own companies and also work on different startups.
We have developed the artificial intelligence machine learning based software system Deep Darshak, which makes the sea safer by analyzing anomalies at sea, and detection of large amount of ships across vast oceans is not manually possible. It is a task done by a team of domain experts comprising of ex-Navy officers headed by a team headed by Commander Nitin Madhavan. And iDEX has been a platform which has been wonderfully utilized by us. It is a very innovative solution to bring enterprise and entrepreneurship into defense innovation. And as part of the iDEX, we have already completed the project and is ahead of time. And by July, I think the prototype will be delivered to the defense forces.
For almost a decade, we have been pitching for various products for the Indian defense industry. And while we got good traction, iDEX has truly accelerated that change. So iDEX is a catalyst. Just like any chemical reaction requires a catalyst to create that reaction, similarly for Indian startups and the Ministry of Defense, iDEX has been the catalyst. iDEX is actually accelerating both, amplifying both, and we are seeing a lot of startups coming now and a lot of entrepreneurs who are doing the same thing, that they are transitioning from the role of an employee to an employer. And that is exactly what the country needs. We need more jobs and we need indigenous technology. iDEX is facilitating that.
We, the Tissot drones, we are the manufacturer and service provider for logistic drones. The drone that you are seeing right now, it's an 8 kg payload drone which has a range of 100 kilometers. That is one of the product that Tissot has built in-house. Prior to this, we have 5 kg and 15 kg drones also, which we have created. And right now we are testing on a smaller drones which has a capacity of 2 kgs and 100 kilometers of range. Tissot drones, we are incubated in IIT Delhi under a program of FITT-IIT, which is directly collaborated with iDEX. So there has been many challenges which came up with the iDEX, and we have been participating in them, developing the technology. We got the facilities from iDEX also for expansion of the ideas and for testing trials also. And that's how we have been getting the useful resources from the iDEX.